Welcome back to Soul Renovation. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7 times published author. Hustle is a frequency, not a phase definition. Hustlers don't wait for green lights, they build their own lane. Hustle isn't noise, it's motion. It's showing up before the world sees the vision. It's creating momentum when the room is still silent. It's treating your goals like they owe you nothing and grinding anyway. Let's make something crystal clear. Hustlers don't wait. They don't beg. They don't hope. They build. They don't sit on couches scrolling opportunities on social media like it's a catalog. They hit the pavement. They shake hands. They make calls. They study. They show up in rooms they're not yet booked for because they already know the value they bring. The real hustlers? They aren't waiting to be chosen. They choose themselves. Daily. Repeatedly. Without needing applause to get started. Because opportunity? It doesn't knock. It responds. It responds to energy, to execution, to movement. And if you're not moving, you're not magnetizing. Closed mouths don't get fed, and closed minds don't build empires. That's what separates the talkers from the walkers. The ones who say, someday, from the ones who say, today. And listen, hustle isn't aesthetic. It's not a quote on a hoodie. It's not romantic. It's early mornings, late nights, internal meetings with your vision. It's being your own assistant, CEO, marketing team, and janitor until the dream has legs of its own. You want to know who wins? It's not the one with the best idea. It's the one who executed it first. It's not the one with the loudest network. It's the one who followed through without excuses. Hustlers understand. Life doesn't owe you. Success doesn't reward intention. It rewards discipline. And if you're not willing to move without validation, you're not in hustle. You're in hope. You know the difference between most people and real movers? Real hustlers don't complain about doors being closed. They build new entrances. They don't post about being overlooked because they're too busy working. They don't get distracted by competition because their only focus is completion. You want in? Prove it with motion. You want it bad? Show it by how early you start and how long you last. You don't have to say, I'm grinding. You live it. Your calendar shows it. Your output proves it. Your results speak louder than your story. And no, you don't need motivation every day. You need commitment. Because motivation fades. Discipline delivers. Hustlers don't move based on mood. They move based on mission. So while others wait, hope, manifest without motion. You knock on doors until your knuckles bleed. You build value before the world sees it. You trust your work ethic more than you trust opinions. And yes, it's tiring. Yes, it's lonely. Yes, people will question your obsession. But remember this, when the results start to stack, nobody's asking why you started. They're asking how. The School of Soul Vault is my private monthly membership designed for those who are done just listening and ready to start building. Inside, you get full access to my video series, the unfiltered teachings, the strategy, the game plans, everything I don't share anywhere else. If you're ready to grow in silence and rise with precision, this is where it happens. Join the vault, monthly access, lifetime impact.